Imagine you are facing a serious health challenge, and you have explored every available treatment option, but nothing has provided the relief or progress you hoped for. What if there was a potential new medication, still in development, that might offer a glimmer of hope, even if it is not yet fully approved? That is precisely where compassionate use, also known as expanded access, comes into play. It is a pathway for patients with serious or immediately life-threatening conditions to gain access to investigational medical products, like drugs or biologics, outside of a clinical trial when no comparable or satisfactory alternative therapies exist. It is about providing a potential option when all other avenues have been exhausted. The core mechanism behind compassionate use is rooted in balancing the desperate need of patients with the imperative to ensure safety and ethical practices. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has specific regulations that allow for this access under strict conditions. The primary goal is to provide a potential treatment for patients who are very ill, while not disrupting the ongoing clinical trials that are necessary to gather comprehensive data for formal drug approval. It is a carefully managed process that prioritizes patient well-being in critical situations. So, how does a patient or their family pursue compassionate use? The journey typically begins with a detailed discussion between the patient and their treating physician. If the physician determines that compassionate use might be appropriate, they then contact the drug manufacturer to inquire about the availability of the investigational product. If the manufacturer agrees to provide the drug, the physician must submit an application to the FDA, providing medical information about the patient and explaining why this investigational drug is their best option. The FDA then reviews this request and usually makes a decision quickly, often within a matter of days for emergency situations. It is important to understand that compassionate use is not a guarantee. It is an extraordinary measure, and its success hinges on several factors, including the drug manufacturer's willingness to provide the medication and the Food and Drug Administration's approval based on the patient's specific circumstances and the drug's safety profile. While similar to some aspects of state right to try laws, compassionate use through the FDA offers a more established regulatory framework for ensuring patient safety and data collection, even in these unique situations. It serves as a vital bridge, connecting patients with urgent needs to promising, yet unapproved, treatments. Ultimately, compassionate use offers a ray of hope for individuals facing dire medical circumstances, providing a chance to access cutting-edge treatments when all other doors seem closed. It underscores a commitment to patient care, ensuring that even within the rigorous process of drug development, there are provisions for those who need a potential intervention most urgently. Always consult with your healthcare team to understand if this pathway aligns with your specific medical needs and situation.